Peace and blessings to all my kings and queens out there. You know, just if I had to get out here in this nature today. Sometimes you gotta get out in the nature, especially the sunlight. Sunlight, the blue skies. Gotta get out here in this nature. Nice clear skies, sunshine. Get that vitamin D, vitamin C. You know, walking through the park, getting my mind right. Finna manifest this money, this wealth, this health, all these blessings. You know, taking it a day at a time. But we still way ahead of all these haters. And they ain't stopping the money train. God bless us with all this beautiful nature. You know, you gotta get out here in the nature. You gotta get your mind and your spirit right. So just bless up. I'll holler back later, y'all. Peace.